In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking and reporting in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a busy team or just trying to keep yourself on track with your own workload, mastering this feature can be a game changer for productivity and insightful reporting. First off, let's talk about enabling time tracking in ClickUp. It's important to note that this feature is accessible only to workspace owners or admins. So, if you hold one of these roles, you're in luck. Start by heading over to your avatar. This is located in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, you'll want to navigate to the ClickUp section and enable time tracking. It's a simple click, but a crucial one that unlocks a powerful suite of tools to keep track of time spent on various tasks. Once you're in the ClickUp menu, you might want to set some default settings. Options include marking entries as billable by default and determining whether each time entry must correspond to a specific task. These settings help streamline your workflow, making sure everything is consistent with your work habits and billing structure, if applicable. Now, let's dive into how you can actually track time on tasks within ClickUp. The system is designed to be flexible, so you can choose the method that suits your working style best. A common way is from directly within a task. Simply click the Track Time button located under the task name. It's a straightforward method that keeps everything organized and easy to manage. You can also track time from list, table, board, or Gantt views. Here, you can add the time tracked column and simply click the timer icon to start tracking. It's a handy feature if you're someone who works across different views and needs quick access to time tracking. For those who like efficiency, the Quick Action toolbar is your friend. You can pin the timer here for even faster access whenever you're juggling multiple tasks. If you manage your time using timesheets, you'll find a Start button right next to your tasks, making it seamless to track the duration directly. This method integrates well for users who prefer an aggregated view of their time management activities. Now, if you prefer a more old-school approach or need to log time retrospectively, manual entries are also an option. You can manually add time entries with details such as duration, date, and a brief description. You can also include labels for organization and an option to assign a billable status to each entry. This detailed level of control is ideal for ensuring accurate reporting and billing, especially for client-based work. By following these steps, you will be well equipped to utilize ClickUp's time tracking and reporting features to their full potential. Whether you're managing a team or your personal tasks, keeping track of time spent is key to maximizing productivity and efficiency. So go ahead, fine-tune your time management workflow with ClickUp and watch how it transforms your productivity.